What's happening, everybody? You got the old Mongo Man out in Kenny's garage. We're still getting ready for the World of Wheels here, and I am trying to get my Bronco put together here. I'm sitting in front of Larry, as you can tell, but we are working on the dash right now. I really wasn't going to do anything to the dash, but I had to take it out to get the speedo cable in, and while it was out, I'm trying to fix something I did while we were painting it, and that is I covered this crystal, or the piece of plastic that covers it, with overspray. And I've tried every chemical that I can find. Nothing will take the overspray off. So I did a little test here with some polishing compound and that little Milwaukee polisher. I think that's it, isn't it? Yep, that's it. On this one, which started out much worse than the one that's on the truck. And that one came out really good, so I bolted this one up to this dash. This isn't the dash that goes in the Bronco. It's laying over yonder. This is just a spare dash that we had. Not that we have a couple Bullnose dashes laying around. This is a spare dash that I am going to just use as a fixture, really, so that I can buff this crystal up. Hear how rough it is? So let's see how this ends up. So I'm using this Professional Ultra Pro finishing polish. It's rated at a 3.5. on this cut scale. Got it good and smeared on there. Now we're going to go ahead and buff it out. This is what this looks like. And this is what it looks like after the buff. You can still see it's got some porosity in it, but it's a whole lot better than it was. It's still dirty because it's dirty from behind. I think I'm going to hit it one more time with the buffer. Got about 5 minutes of buffing in it. One more time, wipe it off, clean it all up, and we'll see what it looks like. And this time through, I'm going to use this Professional Swirl Remover 2.0, 3 on the cut scale. It's all smeared on there. Let's see what this looks like. And here is the finished product on the dash. As you can see, this is a tack dash, and it has the reset. So that makes that crystal extra special with this button on it. Not all the crystals have that button. And as you can see, this crystal is about 1,000% better than it was. Very happy with how that came out. I actually can see through the crystal now. I'll tip it up here. You can see that second buffing got rid of a lot of that porosity, which is really nice, but it's kind of, if you look on the light right there above the speedometer, you can still kind of see it. But it looks 100, or actually way better than 100%, I think, than it did. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that you too can buff out the crystal in your Bullnose dash. You just got to be careful. Some of these crystals are way more delicate than others. This one is one that happens to be a very special crystal because it has that button to reset your trip miles. Just go easy. Don't apply a whole bunch of pressure. Don't burn through the plastic, and you'll come out with a really nice crystal like this one. Very happy with that. All right, now I'm going to put LEDs in this dash. At least I'm going to try to. All right, like I said, I'm replacing the bulbs in this dash. These are the little incandescents that were in it, and as you can see, this thing is riddled with those. I'm replacing them with LEDs, and I got these off of Amazon, so you get the receptacle for them and the new LED. And as I'm putting them together, I'm testing them with the old power probe just to be sure that they work, and then I'll test everything in the dash to make sure I've got good connections when I'm done. And just in case you were wondering, I have the power probe hooked up to the Bronco battery, just because it's right there and it was open. Clifford's right here too, but I wasn't messing around with that. Y'all got to help me a little bit here. I want to test these lights and be sure that they work. What's nice about these open circuit boards on the back is I can trace the lines out and figure out where they go. Those are the lights. Hold this up here. Can you guys see the dash? Tell me if them lights work or not. Looks like they're working to me, huh? And then these other ones, because they're all well, turn signals and gauge lights and things like that, you got to test them individually as you go down through here. And last but not least, yep, they all work. Alright, so that's the back of the dash. We replaced 10 bulbs. Went from incandescent to LED. Hopefully now I'll be able to see this thing in the dark. Alright everybody, so there it is. Just about ready to put back in the truck. Got a bunch of other things I got to do to the truck before I can put it back into it. So it's just going to kind of hang out right here for now. But we will have all of that in a separate video. I just wanted to get this video together to show you guys that you can, in fact, polish one of these pieces of plastic and make it look like new. And there you go. I like it. Thanks, guys. Talk to y'all later. The old Mongol Man is out.